I'm kicking off fall with a fun, nostalgic flavor from Italy, gelatoalpuffo, or Smurf Gelato. It's always blue and usually flavored with mint, anise, or vanilla. For my version, I'm blending vanilla with anise, a classic Italian ingredient, and topping it with cotton candy, something we used to spin fresh in our shops. Store-bought works just as well, or you can skip it. I'm using a natural, plant-based blue coloring, which gives it a softer shade. If you want that bright sky blue color, use a different coloring. And if you'd rather skip the color, this recipe still shines as a vanilla anise gelato, which has a magical cotton candy-like flavor, not to be missed. This recipe is adapted from the Fior di Latte base in my book, The Art of Making Gelato. Watch through to the end for pro tips. Let's get started. Let the base cool in your refrigerator for a few hours or overnight for deeper flavor. After chilling, whisk in about 1 3/4 teaspoon of blue food coloring. Again, I used a plant-based one here. Go by look and preference, but don't overdo it or it can affect the texture. This gelato is creamy, smooth, and full of character. Serve as is or top with cotton candy for a playful touch. The extract makes it a bit softer, but for pro-level results, swap the tapioca starch with 1 gram of locust bean gum and 14 grams of dextrose. This flavor is perfect on its own or as a fun Italian twist for a kid's party. It will be a big hit no matter what. Hope you enjoy this one. No spreadsheets, no complicated calculations, just real Italian gelato made easy. For more gelato tips, recipes, and tutorials, check out the other videos on my channel. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Want to learn more? Visit my website for free and premium resources, full recipes, gelato FAQs, and expert support. Thanks for watching.
Ooh, gelato!